Hello, today guys we are making a fidget cake. I don't know why, and I just got a haircut. I love my haircut. Okay, so first let's get a base. So let's go. This is going to be a birthday kind of cake, and it's pretty. So let's go with a heart base, like a tie-dye heart. That's good. Okay. We have some sauce.
I'm so embarrassed right now. Can we please just go? Hi, you're pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
This is the sofa.
Mom, is sodomy illegal if you're Jewish? I hope so, Meg. I really do.
So I'm just gonna get out some monkey noodles.
Dad, this isn't the way to school. Yes, it is, Chris. One of the best parts about being Jewish is getting to take advantage of their excellent schools. I'm not going to no Jewish school. Sitting around all day with a bunch of short, hairy guys. I feel like I'm on the farthest moon of Endor. Didn't you make that joke the other day?
No, this one, not this kind of burpee. So first of all, this person loves the unicorns, so we've got them some stretchy unicorns just to put a bit more icing, because she loves eating that. You know when you get that ice cream, it's so good. So she went.
And of course, feed you your chili. Do you like it? Do you like it, Scott? I call it Mr. and Mrs. Tenorman chili.
So I'm gonna like make this like I love these.
I made you eat your parents. Jesus Christ, dude. My mom and dad are dead. No. After a night with the hacksaw, I was all ready to put on my chili con carnival so that I could tell you personally about your parents' demand. And of course, feed you your chili. Do you like it? Do you like it, Scott? I call it Mr. and Mrs. Tenorman chili. I have become a monster. Quick, you need to destroy me.
No, my kid.
You have to. Otherwise, there will be more vampires. Who will buy all the garlic pizzas?
Okay, I'll do it for the small business owners. Goodbye, old pal. The steak broke.
But why?
Sticky.
Oh, I get it. I always knew you had a golden heart, figuratively and physically.
Aww.
Ow! Hey! Come on, bro. Let's change coffins.
What are you gonna do? Bite me?
Haha, really funny.
You know the big bowl doesn't sit right with me.
Asking for Robux in different languages. Part 3. Japanese. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa, Veki.
Ruboxo kurimasu ka?
Baka.
Wow, arigatou gozaimasu. Arabic. Salam.
وعليكم السلام.
ممكن تعطيني روبكس؟
نعم.
Alright.
Bigfoot spotted earlier today. Massive reward for anyone that can find him.
You and I can easily find this guy. You mean that hairy lady standing outside? What the?
Bong. Suck my balls.
So I'm going to outline my heart cake. Oh, it's so nice. Bye. This is just, I can smell it, like this cake from a mouth. Like, it's so juicy. And we're just connecting. So we're gonna make one giant tube, and then we're gonna, first of all, this is like my top bit. If we incurve that, so there, like that. And then once you put the zipped green, make love with each other. That's what we need here. It's a sign that the oh, not that what? I don't know, eating macaroni and cheese. Oh. We had to use the broken one, didn't we? Perfect. I'm so proud of myself. How did a fidget get all the way up in the hair? Look. Okay. I am going to crazy. Where is my other fidget? Okay. I just lost 1,000 fidgets. I will go find them. Wait a minute. I don't have a daughter. Daddy? Oh,